What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Adonis. We're over here at the garage. We got Ruben as a special guest over here. We're doing a campfire. So basically today I thought of doing a muffler delete on my 2018 Accord just to make it sound better for cheap. Basically for free. All you gotta do is take out a few bolts, so I'm gonna show you guys, and basically have a muffler delete without going to the muffler shop and wasting, what was it? How much I wasted?
Like what, 200 something?
I was like, no, what was it? It was like 180, 190, some shit like that.
What the fuck?
Because the muffler resonator delete.
Yeah, well I said 200 something, you said 180, 190.
Yeah, but just the muffler delete was like 100, right?
You spent money. How about that?
Alright, whatever. It's more. It was like 100 and some shit dollars for a muffler delete. So this is for free. So basically, I'm gonna show you how to do it for free. It's not gonna look perfect because the muffler is gonna, the air, the smoke that's gonna come out the muffler is gonna come down like where the wheels are at. So it's not gonna come down to the back where the bumper is. That's the only problem. But at least it's for free and it's gonna make it sound way better. Hopefully, because now I'm putting the shoes back on. But we're gonna find out right now. Well. Hopefully we have full warranty because we're about to lift the car up somewhere that might not supposed to be lifted up, but we're gonna do it regardless because that's how I am. Ruben, you want to record? Is recording me?
No, my crotch.
Can you see me? Yo, somebody blocking the light. You blocking the light, man. You dark pole.
Yeah, if anything, it just makes you whiter. I said dark pole. What a dick. Yeah, now I'm just gonna get, blind by the light.
Alright, let's see if we can lift it up there. This fake ass muffler tip.
Come on.
I guess you can. I guess you can lift it there.
Yes, you can.
Is it lifted for both? Oh, dope.
It kind of.
Is it?
You kind of just stopped now.
Yeah, it's not lifting up anymore.
Yeah, not enough. Wow, that kind of barely did shit, but
Yeah, basically it's the same thing as if you just raised your suspension up. Sort of.
yeah.
Wow. Undershot of a Honda Accord 2018.
And I'm kind of looking at how come this side has bolts and now I'm looking at that side doesn't have bolts.
Yeah, it doesn't seem like a straightforward thing. Huh.
You saw that shit, right?
I hope the
See,
camera.
this muffler has bolts. That one don't.
Yeah, I hope the camera picks that up. I can't even see that shit from here.
Wow, so this is gonna turn out to be a fail. Oh, that's how you take one off. It's gonna have one, like you said. I don't know how that's gonna sound, but it should sound better.
It's part.
I mean, I'm already doing the video, so I might as well just finish it. But why the fuck would they do that? Why did they make one come out and then this side not? I'm trying to find another spot to disconnect this shit. There's no other spot.
There is literally no under spot. But
Yeah,
there
unless
you
I
go.
cut that shit off. I ain't trying to cut it because I want to return it back to stock when I return it.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, so we're going to delete one, I guess. And just see how it sounds. It's only 2 bolts.
Fucking half-ass shit.
Yeah, so we're going to... Yeah, so for some reason, over there's no bolts to take that one off. So, but you could take this one off for some reason. That's some retarded shit. But we're
Turn
gonna...
your car to a single exhaust.
So it's basically going to be a hybrid mixed with gasoline engine. Let's see how it sounds like. What do you think it's gonna sound like?
I don't know. We're gonna hope for the best.
That's gonna sound
That's gonna sound like your plate.
Yeah.
It's gonna sound half an hour.
Yeah, it's gonna sound like. Nah, I'm not gonna say my plate because they're looking for my shit. So yeah.
Didn't you do that before?
No, I didn't see how that sounded. So we're gonna do how the car sounds now. Don't record my plates, bro. Put it like down here. Turn on the car. See how it sounds now. Rev it, and then we do it with the muffler off.
And then
Single muffler.
single. I mean, you could do it if you want.
Sounds good.
What, are you stepping on it?
No.
Oh, well, yeah, I don't hear fucking anything. To be honest, I hear more sound from the front than the back. Yeah, I feel like your car was never destined to. Yeah.
What the fuck is that like?
Deadass, all I hear is literally the front. That's all I hear. Like, I hear your engine, put it that way. Whatever the exhaust, yeah, I barely hear a fucking thing.
Yeah. So you hear that? It doesn't sound like nothing. It's basically like a hybrid, but without the hybrid part. So now we're gonna change all that by taking out this
Short change.
one muffler off.
Oh wow, but
Because we can't take the other one out because the Honda fucked it up. But we're gonna see how it sounds with one muffler off. Hopefully it sounds dope. If not, I'm putting it back.
Oh, sit down.
So yeah, so now the muffler is out. You guys can see, I don't know if you guys see that, but I have it hanging right now. So it's disconnected from the... Yeah, so yeah, we're gonna see how it sounds. You're gonna have to hold it down there. You ready?
of course.
Let's see how this gets sound.
Yeah.
Accord with muffler delete. Halfway.
Is it just me or I'm having a hard time hearing things?
Like it once?
Is there a difference?
I have no fucking idea.
It's the same thing as the SI thing,
Yeah, I'm
right?
tired of your shit. Just put that shit back on.
Right?
Yeah.
There's only one way to find out. We gotta test drive it.
Yeah.
Okay?
I guess so. So yank the fucking thing off.
Yeah, right? The SI.
Yeah,
Like
except
you kind of hear, but you have to, like, if you don't, if you're not, like, you would have to go faster.
That's what I'm saying. We have to drive it. So, yeah.
yes.
So, yeah. So, it sounds kind of different. The only way to find out if it makes sure it sounds good or dope is that we have to test drive. So, I'm going to take the muffler out completely and we're going to go test drive it. And if it sounds bad, we're going to put it back on. So, let's see. So, yeah, I'm going to show you guys how the muffler looks. Look at that. That's the muffler from a 2018 Accord if you ever take it out.
One of them.
It has one hang. Yeah, one of them, exactly. It's a hybrid right now. So, it basically has one hanger there and one over here. That shit, well, this one was annoying. I was about to fuck the car up for this shit.
You kind of did.
Yeah, basically kind of did, yeah. So, yeah, I took it out. Look how retarded that tip looks. Reminds me of Ruben. But, yeah, so then that's one out. So, you can see that one side is like that and the other side is like that. I don't know why Honda do that. But, apparently, Ruben told him to do it like that. So, yeah, we're going to hear how it sounds outside now. So, this is a cold start. Damn, shit sounds loud, dog. Yo, shit.
Yeah, it sounds like a scat pad. Now, what's gonna be more loud? This or the fucking thing telling me to wear my seatbelt? Let's find out.
We're gonna find out. Let's take out this emergency thing out.
Please attach muffler back.
So we're gonna just drive it slow for now.
Imagine.
There's a shopping cart in the way. What the f- you kind of... That's some bullshit.
Alright, so yeah.
Oh.
Even though he sucks at recording.
No, I don't suck all the time.
They want to see the speedometer and shit.
Oh, yeah.
But we're trying to hear how the car sounds. Leave the windows open. Oh, you heard that rumble?
Yeah, it has a rumble. Halfway.
Ow.
Well, at least we got a wave.
The bottle.
Oh, look, another Accord.
It has two mufflers. This one has one.
Yeah, special limited edition, you know? Like, you literally just hear it, like, halfway on the left side. Yo, it's windy as fuck.
Yeah, they probably hear that more than the damn car.
Extra horsepower right there, you know?
Close the window, see how it sounds like.
Yeah. I'm not sure how to feel about that, but... Yeah, I feel like there's more umph to it.
A little bit.
A little more umph.
What you mean? Like what speed?
Well, not speed, but I mean like audible.
Oh,
Like there's a little more.
A little bit.
Yeah.
Well, not like crazy like the SI.
Yeah, not like the SI.
It's
you
like
hear-
when the first time what you did to the side.
Yeah, like the.
That it was
well,
like you had to press the gas.
Yeah,
to
like
hear
it's somewhere near the purr, but then it's kind of somewhere like you feel the rumble.
Yeah, like it's like I want to make the noise, but you know.
I
I'm
want to
not gonna
moan, but then I kind of don't.
Basically.
But I'll entertain your thought for a little bit.
You ready?
Right? Yeah, there you go. Right into the back of a Camry.
Probably would have resonate the song.
And another Camry. We're just surrounded by Camrys.
No, it's cold.
Ready?
Oh shit.
Yeah, I
Little.
think it's just. Oh, but on the video, I think it's gonna be pure wind.
Well, we'll see.
What a car.
Yeah. It's like fucking Mythbusters.
I think it's less than the SI when you got the first one.
Yeah, so, is it worth it? No, not worth it. Unless you do the 2 mufflers and the resonate delete, that's the only way it'll sound like decent. For now, that should sound like a hybrid trying to catch a roar, but it can't. No bueno.
Another episode.
So
of
myth
What Not
busted.
to Do.
Yeah, myth busted.
Yeah.
Easy. So now I got a freaking muffler just there sitting down until I put it back on. If I put it back on, yeah, because I'm lazy. Maybe 2 years I'll put it back on. When I return it, the day I return it, just put it back.